Hello, my friends. Today we're going to do some mindfulness and I'm going to bring you along on the journey. So, mindfulness, it means that you're fully present. And this practice is good for clearing up the mind, opening up blockages of a physical, emotional, or energetic nature. Then it's good for being here and now and connecting you more with your body, because musicians are way too much up in their heads. We will start with some breathing and then we will go to the mindfulness practice. Your posture should be sitting straight. I prefer that you don't lie down. You could fall asleep. Back supported, head free. And we start just taking a good big breath. And when we let it go, when we sigh out, we literally let go of anything that doesn't help us. So let's go, inhale. Biggest breath of the day and let go. So, before getting into mindfulness, it's good to calm down the nervous system. So we can either use alternate nostril breathing, so that's your ring finger and your thumb. And you start exhaling through the left nostril. You inhale, you close it up, you exhale into the other one, you inhale there, etc. Or we're going to do double exhale. So we're going to breathe in for 2, exhale for 4. So you can choose. There we go. Really try to get that breath as deep as possible, breathing in the belly. And when you sigh out, you let go of everything. Listen to your breath. If you restrict the base of your throat a little bit, you can make the ocean's breath. Sounds like the ocean. Three breath cycles more. Let's try to lengthen your inhale and then lengthen even more your exhale. Okay, we're going to explore the 5 senses, and we're starting with what comes easiest to us musicians, listening. So you're probably listening to my ocean now. And what else can you hear? What's the sound? That's the farthest away, but you can still hear. What's the closest sound? Probably it's your breathing. Can you hear yourself breathe? And just observe. You don't have to think of your breath anymore. Just let it flow naturally. And now we go to feeling. Can you feel clothing against your skin? Can you feel the surface you're sitting on? And the surface you're sitting against? Don't stop breathing naturally. Just let it flow. Can you feel the breath coming in and going out? Can you feel the air against the skin that's not covered? How does your belly feel? If I focus on mine, it becomes like really nice belly feeling. And is there somewhere in your body that's a bit tight? As a blockage, perhaps? Just scan the body. And if you find tight places, breathe through them. Breathe towards them. And what is that part of your body trying to tell you? Just listen. Don't judge. We're just being present now. And now we're going to combine the two of them. So we're going to try to listen at the same time and feel at the same time. This is playing with the senses. You're becoming completely human. Us musicians tend to go directly into our listening, but now you combine it with that physicality. Really nice. And now we're going to add seeing or visualizing. So if you're with your eyes closed, what do you see? You still see spots or darkness? Or maybe you see images of memories. Everything's fine. And is there something you see further away? And other things perhaps you see closer by. And what colors do you see? And don't forget to breathe. Every time you exhale, you let go. And now we're going to try to combine these three. And if you don't succeed, it's no big deal. This is just playing. This is being inside of your human body. So we're listening, we are seeing or visualizing, and we're feeling. All at the same time. And now we're going to add smelling. So what do you smell? If you're in a room, what does the room smell like? And sometimes you really cannot smell anything, and that's fine too. Or if it's a bad smell, that's also part. Don't judge it. And you guessed it, we're going to combine the 4 of them now. So travel along again, listening, feeling, visualizing, and smelling. And now we add tasting. Do you have any taste in your mouth? Is it sweet, salty, acid? In which part of the tongue do you taste it? And if you don't taste anything, that's also fine. And now we're going to combine all 5 of them. So again, we're going to just let them play. Just being fully human. Enjoying being alive. Having 5 senses. And breathing a lot. Breathing through all those senses. So listening. Feeling. Seeing, smelling, and tasting. And if it's too much, just come back to 1 or 2. And we're taking 3 more breaths. Just observe with your body, not your mind. Okay, great. So now we're going to finish with a couple of things, very small things. Let's first name 3 to 5 things that you're grateful for at this moment. Can be something very small. For example, the color of your trousers, the smell. There we go, okay? 3 to 5 things. I am grateful for. And now we're going to set an intention for the day. So today I will feel like. Okay? So it's your intention for the day. And we're going to finish with some stretching, lifting the arms, turning the wrists, stretching from side to side, turning a little bit, relaxing your upper body. Maybe you also want to stretch your feet a little bit. So, I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, please give it a like. Follow me here on YouTube. Share this video with others if you think it's interesting for them. And we see each other soon again. Bye!